Hello, viewers out there. My name is Lebone Molebatsi and I'm 11 years old. I love singing because it entertains me, and I love music. When I sing, I feel like I am happy and I feel like I'm in paradise. Well, my favorite artist is Beyonce, and I've been told that I've started been singing when I was 2 years old. Well, I remember when I was singing when I was 4 years old. I just remember that age. And I started writing my own songs when I was 6 years old. May you please vote for me because I won't disappoint you. May you please sit back and enjoy. I'm gonna sing Battlefield by Jordan Specs. Don't try explaining, man, I know what's happening here. 1 minute it's love, and suddenly it's a battlefield. One word turns into a world. Why is it the smallest things that tear us down? My world's nothing when you don't. I'm not hit without a shield. Can't go back now. Both hands tied behind my back for nothing. Oh no, these times when we climb so fast to fall again. Why we gotta fall for it now? I never meant to start a war. You know I never wanna hurt you. Don't even know what we are fighting for. What does love always feel like? A battlefield, a battlefield, a battlefield. What does love always feel like? A battlefield, a battlefield, a battlefield. What does love always feel like? Thank you.